Hello everyone. I can't believe that finally I have my own YouTube channel. I love food and have a great passion for cooking. Every lady is a master chef in her own kitchen. I would love to share some of my recipes with y'all, which are quick, basic, and healthy recipes. My first recipe is a guilt-free mango cream dessert, which is only prepared with three ingredients and in 10 minutes. So let's get started. So, beautiful souls, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications of my new uploads. And if you have any suggestions and comments, please drop it in the comment box. I'll be eagerly waiting for them. Thank you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase.
The three basic ingredients are frozen ripe Alfonso mango, milk powder, and roasted nuts, that is 20 cashews and 20 almonds. Mango is a rich fibrous fruit. It has loads of vitamins A, C, and E, and loads of antioxidants. It fights cancer, maintains our cholesterol level, and alkalizes our body. So, there are a lot of benefits of eating mangoes. Almond contains good fats, fiber, and protein and helps in losing weight, whereas cashews maintain good heart health and boost our immune system. First, grind the nuts in the blender with help of water. Now the concentrated nut milk is ready. Now we have to add the mangoes and the milk powder and blend it together. Our delicious 3-ingredient mango cream is ready. You can serve it in these dessert glasses. If you don't have these dessert glasses, you can also serve them in ceramic bowls. I have garnished it with dehydrated mangoes. If you don't have dehydrated mangoes, you can also garnish it with freshly chopped Alfonso chunks. You can relish on it like that or refrigerate it for 2 hours and have chilled mango cream.